I'm gonna go ahead and harvest you today. This is one of these pickling cucumbers. I think it's a nice size now. I'm not gonna dare take a risk of something coming and eating it up. So let me go ahead and harvest you today. Yes. Okay. Trying to hold the camera and everything. I didn't mean for you to fall on the ground. Okay, my first cucumber harvest of the season. Yes. Well, we're gonna enjoy eating you. You look good. Look at you, cucumber. You look good. Let me harvest you. Okay, wait a minute. Wait. Here's another one back there. Ah, look at y'all. Both of y'all by each other there. Looking beautiful. Okay, I think I'm gonna harvest both of you. And then you got your little buddy hanging here too. Okay. Got two I'm getting ready to harvest. Got a lot of blooms. Yeah, we're gonna have a wonderful harvest of cucumbers this season, look like. Oh, they everywhere. Come on, grow cucumbers for us. Okay. Let me get these two cucumbers here. Y'all look good. Yes.